with JCPL. Welcome back to Maker Monday.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Maker Monday. Today we are going to learn how to make a resume in Microsoft Word. After watching these steps for making a resume, you'll become more proficient in starting to build your very own resume that will help you to stand out in the job marketplace by building a great rapport. We will cover 3 skills and concepts: creating in Microsoft Word, creating a new document or template, and setting up your new resume by building information brackets. When you open Microsoft Word, you can select a resume template from the File menu. In the search box, type resume, then double-click on the template you want to use. Once you open the template, enter your name, address, phone number, and email. Next, enter your work experience from your most recent employer to your last. Next, include your education information, which includes high school, vocational or technical school, college, and grad school. Next, enter your work skills, for example, knowledge in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Publisher. Leave at least 3 personal references. In the reference, you will include their name, title, phone number, and/or address. After following these steps, congratulations, your resume has been created. Save our Maker Monday videos in your playlist and refer to them anytime that you need help. You can also make an appointment with one of our computer desk associates. For example, this lovely video was designed by Anna Cruz. Thank you for tuning in for Maker Monday. I'll see you next time. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share. Thank you.